And I'm going to move to a demonstration now. And I've got a couple of application examples to show also. So let me use this section. And here I've got my two controls. I go to my setup here and I can look at these in the time domain. So these are my two target signals. So I've got two control signals, sensors, accelerometers, and I can look at these controls here, control signals, if I zoom in on this a bit. So you can see I've got a little build-up time, and then this is my target trace for response 1, and then target trace for response 2. Look at my rig setup here. Those are for my shakers from 5 to 2 kilohertz. Go to SysID. I'm going to actually use a previous SysID. So let's see. Use this one here. And go to system verification. I can look at these responses. I look at my transfer function, system transfer function in G's per volt. I can look at the coherence, so everything looks good there. Go to drive tuning. I'll go to my settings. So I'm going to go, my first drive is going to be at 50% for both of my targets responses. And then as I iterate the error, I'm going to iterate 50%, then another 50%, and then my last iteration will be at 100%. And I'm going to kind of step up gradually the error correction. And then with that, I can look at my predicted results. So I can look at predicted in time and frequency. And then go to the acquisition. I'll arm the system. I'm going to initiate the model. Is coming from, so it'll come from the SysID. And start. So here I'm looking at target 1 response. So again, these are at 50%. This is the error, composite error down here. So that's my composite error will show up here. So I'm at iteration number 2 of 5. So you can see the error was at 50% here, and now it's down to 25%. So it's correcting the error, but it's gradually correcting the error. So it went from 50 to 25 to 12. And you see how it's plotting that down here. So I'm still not below my 10%. So I iterate one more time. This is a 12-second time waveform, so it's pretty short. But you can see now I'm below my 10% line here. So it should stop after this. So convergence is reached. It's below my 10% criteria, and now the test is stopped. So then I can come back here and look at the error, and I can plot the error as it decreases, and my 6th iteration is down below my 10% line. So that's a way of looking at the data.